Now what do you think would happen if I took this wire, went from the positive to the negative directly without any protection or any load on it? Well, can't be good. Don't try this at home, folks, but I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see. I'm going to get these pliers out here. So if I went across there, probably wouldn't be pretty. And it's not. That's pretty good. So that thing actually went up in smoke, which is really cool. Welcome to this AMSOIL tech tip. Yes, we're talking about circuit devices, protection devices. Just like engines have to be protected, well, circuits do too. Let's take a look at some circuit protection devices. The first one up there, well, there's a bunch of fuses. Over on the right, well, it's a circuit breaker. It gets hot with heat, opens and closes. And the last one is a fusible link, kind of what we just burned, but I can show them to you right here, which is really neat. So on our first circuit here, I have a fuse. Now, why would you even want a fuse? Well, you want to protect the whole circuit from any kind of damage if there's a short or anything going on, or like I showed you earlier with no load. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to bypass the load, which are the light bulbs, come over here, grab this, and when I do that, keep your eyes right here on this fuse because instantaneously, we're sure hoping it's going to pop. So here we go. That's it. That thing popped. Circuit's inoperable. The fuse did its job. Next circuit over here, well, this is actually a circuit breaker. So we'll hook up our power supply right here, and this is a circuit breaker. So if I did the same thing, I bypass that load once again. This is called a short circuit. So if I come over here when I do it, watch this right here. This bimetallic strip's going to open, and then eventually it's going to close once it cools down. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bam, it's open. Slowly, slowly closing. Resets. We'll do it again. Bam, open and slowly, slowly closing. Circuit protection devices, pretty cool. Last but not least is kind of what we just did there. This is called a fusible link. This is 4 wire gauges smaller than the wire it's protecting. So it's the weakest link in the whole circuit here. So if I go over here and I connect this right here, once again, I'm going to try to short this. And what we're hoping is the fusible link will burn and none of the circuit will. So watch this fusible link here and we're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, somebody burn. There it goes. That circuit can't hold it. What's happening is those amps are running so fast, so quickly, something's got to give in that circuit there. Man, Len, we're talking about a massive amount of smoke, my man.
What did you do here? Looks like you created a little bit of smoke.
We did. You know, circuit protections are huge, but even bigger, engine protection, your whole vehicle protection. That's what AMSOIL is all about.
Right, and you know, you don't want these types of things to happen inside your engine because it's not as easy as replacing a fuse or changing the wire. It could be changing an engine, a transmission, who knows, but it's going to be expensive. So what we do at AMSOIL is we break everything so that you don't have to. So we put these oils into situations that most people would never put them in. In our testing facilities, in our chemical lab, we make sure that we put them in a situation where it's way too hot or there's way too much stress so that any of the products that we're recommending for the equipment are going to perform to the top level and then some more.
Yeah, and I saw some of your driving habits, man. You definitely test it out. You know, electrical circuits need to be protected and so does your engine. So for maximum protection and peace of mind, just go to AMSOIL.com.